Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can use daily combo on Hamster Kombat. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already opened any of the internet browser, and now you need to search for the Hamster Kombat in Google. So once you do that, you'll be able to see a link at top on in the screen. So you need to click on that link or tap on that link, and you will be redirected to the official page of the Hamster Kombat, where you can see there is a play now button at the bottom of this page. So let's tap on the play now, and you'll be redirected to the Telegram. And make sure you have an account in Telegram and you have already downloaded the Telegram as well. So now you can see there is a play button. So let me click on the play in one click, or you can also tap on the play, which is at the bottom left corner of this page or section. So let me tap on any of them because the process can't be same. So once you do that, you will be able to access the Hamster Kombat, which is actually a mini app. So now you can see there is a poll option right above of this coin. So you can see there is a daily combo as well. So let's tap on the daily combo, and you can see there is a 3 cards in here. So you need to basically search for the combo card. You can find it in the social media of the Hamster Kombat, and you can also see there is a lots of option in here. So you can see to unlock it you simply need 1k, and for the support team you can see $750 coin, and for the IT team $2k coin, and so on. So yeah, basically this is how you can use daily combo on Hamster Kombat. And in this section you will be able to use daily combo, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.